Good morning friends, I am Ankit Mangal, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry of Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Now today we are going to discuss about the first topic of medicinal chemistry, that is antihistaminic agents. Antihistaminic agents are such agents which are act against the histamine. Before we are going to discuss about the antihistaminic agent, we discuss about what do you mean by histamines, what is the actual role of histamines, what is the biological response produced by the histamines, we discuss. So histamines is also called as autocoils. Autocoils are self-healing substances. Self-healing substances means they are released in particular area and show their response in the restricted area of periphery from where they are released. So this is also called as local hormone because they are act as a locally from which they are released. Histamine is derived from two words, histus and amine. Histus means tissue, so it is also called as tissue amine. Histamines are found in the various tissue in the body, so it is called as histamines. Histamine is a chemical messenger which are able to produce chemical response from one cell to the another cells, which are produce various biological response in the body. So this is called as histamine. Histamine, now next we discuss about the secretion of histamine. Histamine is secreted by the secretory granules of mast cells. In the mast cells, secretory granules are present and they are secreted the histamine. In mast cell, they are secreted various types of chemical like heparin, histamine and serotonin. So histamine is the one of the chemical which is secreted by the mast cell. Histamine also secreted by the other non-mast cell like brain, gastric mucosa and epidermis. So it is called as non-mast cell histamines. In these types of histamine, mast cells are not associated with the secretion of histamine. So histamine is secreted by the two types. First is mast cell histamine and second is non-mast cell histamine. Mast cell histamine are such histamine which is secreted by the mast cell, and non-mast cell histamine are the such histamine which is secreted by the never help of mast cell. Now next we discuss about the biological response or therapeutic response involved in the body by histamine. So first is response is the allergic inflammatory response. Allergic inflammatory response are the such response when allergen enter into the body, then our immune system are activated and they are produce the immunological response or inflammatory response. So histamine is also associated with the allergic inflammatory response. When allergen like pollen grain or other protein substances entered into the body, then mast cells secrete the histamine and which are produce the allergic inflammatory response. The second important function or role of histamine in the body is secretion of gastric acid. As you know, gastric acid is an acid secreted by our stomach. For example, HCl is an acid secreted by the stomach with the help of parietal cell. Their major role of gastric acid is to kill the microorganism. Second role is to produce the acidic environment. Then the third is to activate the enzyme pepsinogen into the pepsin. This is the important role of gastric acid. So mast cell is also associated with the secretion of gastric acid. Histamine is also associated with the secretion of gastric acid. The third important function of histamine is to stimulate dilatation and increase the permeability of smooth blood vessels.